Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show us some short clips on the bubu, different bubu styles. Okay, I usually don't display fashion styles inspirations. I major more on sewing tutorials. Okay, but in order to understand some sewing tutorials and tricks, one needs to understand some style inspiration. So in this video I'll be taking us through some short clips of the history of the bubu dress. Okay, the bubu, also known as a ground bubu or agbada, is a traditional garment with a modern twist. Okay, worn by men and women in West Africa. Boubou dates back to centuries with roots deeply embedded in the rich cultural tapestry of countries such as Nigeria, Senegal, Ghana, Kenya, Mali, etc. Historically, bubus were worn by royalties, dignitaries, symbolizing wealth and power. The intricate designs, luxury fabrics, and elaborate embroideries were a testament to the craftsmanship and artistic expression of the region. When it comes to bubu, you never can get enough of it, because bubu has different vibrant colors, and you can actually use any fabric to make bubu, some beautiful specific fabrics. You can make use of your milkado, like satin, like bridal satin. You can make use of other fabrics. So I want us to take our time to go through this video to pick whatever style we think we would like me to illustrate for you in subsequent videos. So sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. It's bye for now.